Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure location services are on and the Compass app is allowed to use your location. This ensures accurate heading and declination correction. Once done, open Compass and hold the phone flat toward the horizon. You're calibrating the magnetometer so the app reads true north. Make sure to move in a smooth figure eight if prompted to speed calibration. Avoid nearby magnets or metal. Interference shifts readings. You're now positioned to view heading, coordinates, and elevation. Now you'll read the core outputs: heading, cardinal direction, and the numeric degree. That degree is what you follow for navigation. Once you tap the coordinate panel, you'll see latitude and longitude and can copy them for sharing or a map app, useful when navigation requires precise waypoints. If you need elevation or declination correction, check the small status text. Newer iPhones apply local magnetic declination automatically for true north. Make sure to enable compass in control. To follow a bearing, rotate your body until the desired degree lines up with the red heading marker, then walk keeping that alignment. Periodically recheck the phone flat to avoid tilt errors. If readings jump or seem off, recalibrate with the figure eight motion and move away from interference. If that fails, toggle location services and compass permissions. As a final fix, restart the phone or install the latest iOS update. Sensor firmware and software fixes often resolve persistent magnetometer issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.